So I shall show you how to make a Roblox shirt specifically on ibis paint. You do have to download this on your Windows, like through the Windows app. So go ahead and do that. It's not free. You could probably do any kind of like Photoshop or paint tool. This one I do like. It's pretty straightforward, but like it is not free. You'd have a 7-day free trial and then you have to pay after that. But to get started, after you have this all downloaded, you'll want to go and search up a Roblox shirt template transparent and make sure it is transparent or else you'll kind of get messed up. This is the one that I have, so it still shows everything, but the boxes itself where the clothes will be processed is transparent. When you when you put this into the Roblox website itself, it won't matter, like this part, this side, it won't matter. It'll only focus on these parts right here. So you can go ahead and save that. And then you'll want to go to ibis and you'll push this little plus tool and you'll go import picture and you'll open that. And then just push cancel. And okay, I don't know what that does. I haven't played around with it. So we have this here and you'll be adding a lot of layers, so you can start doing layers. You'll want to make sure that this photo is at the top, because when you're on different layers, now that it's at the top, we can just like paint inside of it and it'll just only go into where it's supposed to go. To add different photos, you'll push this here. Okay, this is a shirt that I'm going to make eventually. Don't steal my idea. So this is just a photo itself. You can add like you can go here and search up like let me see, Roblox shirt ideas. And you can like save these photos and put them on let me find one that I sort of like. Ooh, this one's cute. Well, okay, it really doesn't matter. Let me save this one. Okay, and then you can, it'll automatically go to a new layer too, so if you add another photo. So you can do that and then go down. If you want that I love mommy on top, you'll have to have it be on the top layer like this. And to edit photos after you place them, like I can't just click on it, right? You'll push this button up here and then you can move it once more. Do that. You know what though, this is like if you make a mistake you can push here, and if you push it too many times you can push this again. I had drawn on my words and I didn't want that, so let me redo that. I can have my I love mommy here, and you could do something like that, like where you just add different photos into the template. This is your chest area. These two pieces here are your sides. This will be your back, and then this will be like the top part right here, and then this will be the bottom part of your body, and then this area is specifically for sleeves. So I could put this in again and like put it here, would probably work, but it's like not supposed to be the front, you know what I mean? So I'm like, where am I? This kind of is not lined up correctly either, but it's fine. I could, however, get like, is it the eyedrop tool? Yeah, let me get that, and then you have a bunch of different brushes you can work with. And let me just go to a basic one here, and then you can click out of it, and this is like how much you want it to be seen, and then this is how big the brush is. I'll probably just like cover that since it's the back. It's supposed to be the back. Doesn't really match, but I don't think anybody's gonna, I'm not gonna upload this. I don't want to. And so these would be where the sleeves start, so right here. And it looks like, let me make this a little bit smaller. There would be sleeves here, and there is a ruler tool here. You can click, and this is super helpful. So you can put up the lines where you want it to like go, and you can start drawing, but only up and down. You cannot draw side to side, it won't let you. So it is a straight line. Whoops, I went too far. Oops, I did it again, freak. Well, this is fine. So we could just pretend that that is a strap there, and we'll move it, and we can add a strap. Let's go a little bit over here. That's fine. And it doesn't have to be on this boulder line. It could be anywhere you want a line. That's where you go. And if you wanted to go sideways, you would just turn it this way, and then you could go sideways as well. If you're going to make straps, though, well, actually, this is fine. Sometimes if the straps don't go all the way up to the top, you would have to make the straps on this side as well. Like if our shirt ended right here, and then you added straps up, you would have to add the same straps over here as well. This is where this kind of comes in handy the most, I feel like, because I don't know if there's a measuring tool, but you could like kind of just count how many spots it is to kind of measure. And then to get out of this, you just click off. But you can do something like that, and if you want to just move the entire thing, that's how you do it as well. You just push this button, or you could zoom out and then zoom back in, however you want. To save your photo, you'll click this arrow right here, save image. Make sure it is transparent, and then you'll push OK, save. And then to go back to your gallery, you'll push the same button, push go to my gallery. There are a few things that I wanted to do on this one that I'm going to upload. I'll show you how to upload. So I'm going to edit this. I feel as if it's a bit too transparent in places, so I'm going to add a bottom layer, and I'm going to just make my brush as big as it can, and I think I'm just going to go with, maybe I'll do a dark green. You can see your color on the color wheel right here. I was going to do black, but maybe I'll just do like, I kind of want this to be a green shirt, so I'll do that. And then I feel like when I color underneath it, it's gonna get all these white spaces to be that color, and then it won't be see-through on my character. I don't know if I like how dark it is though. Yeah, that's super see-through. How I did it was not ideal. So that's not how I want to do it. Maybe I'll just make it dark. It's fine. That's fine. But I kind of ruined like the spots I had already erased and made transparent, so I'm going to take my eraser tool and I'm gonna re-erase everything that I want. Make this a little bit bigger. So this is like where the head lays on your avatar. You could do it however you want. Yeah, I was just checking it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I went too far. Or did I? What is this? This is from earlier. I'm not fixing it. Whatever. Okay. And then down here is something I want to fix as well. I'll move this. I'm going to take out my handy dandy ruler. And then I want it to just go right underneath this chain here. So I'm just going to work my way up. Make this a little bit smaller because, listen, if I put my cursor right here and click, it's going to erase like above where I want the line. So I need to position my eraser tool or whatever tool I'm using to be where I want the mark to stop. So that was a little bit too low. I'll move just a little bit, tweak it a little bit. This is fine. And I'm just going to go all the way across and then off. And I think this is fine. Now it won't be see-through. Still like this tie-dye look that I want. So I'm going to save my image. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my Roblox and go to create. And then you'll go to creations and avatar items, classics, classic shirts, specifically for this. If you wanted to upload pants, you'd click pants. If you wanted to upload a t-shirt, you'd click t-shirt. And then you'll upload your asset by putting in the photo. Now, like I said, it's not going to take this side image into consideration when it's making the photo. Just the clothes that you had made. And I'm going to make it say Money Troll. and then just kind of describe it, obviously, in the description. And then it does cost 10 Robux to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Usually it's pretty fast unless it needs to be moderated. So if I go to my avatar items and then I go back to where it was, you'll see, let's see, there it is, right here. Then I'm going to go back to my Roblox and check out my avatar. Let's see, right here. And then it automatically goes into my my inventory. So you can see the ones that I have made already, and you can wear it. So good. Oh, also, if you wanted to put it for sale, you'd go to the same steps. So let's go back. Oops. And then, so you would push this, and then, oh no, you just click it, sorry, and you'll push on sale, and you can put it for 5, or however you want, and then you publish the item, and now it is for sale. I'm going to do this also for my other shirt I have off sale. I did not put this one on sale because it's my first ever one, and it's it's not the best. So now all my items are for sale. People can buy them. Let me show you one more thing in the ibis. There was another thing that you can do that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go back to my gallery. There's a shirt that I have not uploaded yet because I just feel like it's too plain. But what I want to do is I'm going to add another layer on top of my like shirt design. And I want to add, so there's this like option here, and you can have a lot of inserts already. It's already pre-downloaded onto the app itself. So I'm going to search up like a wrinkle because I kind of want like a texture on the shirt. Maybe this one. And so I'm going to just have it be like this, I think. And I'm going to have it fade out. You can have it fade in and out. I don't know how to change the color of this. Maybe there is a way, but it kind of just gives some more dimension to the shirt, I feel. And then you can also change different things on the filter as well. You can like put some things. Ooh, this one is pretty good. The linear burn. That's pretty good. So I'm going to add that one actually. And I don't want it everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, my eraser tool's already here. I'm just going to erase like the spots here. It doesn't look like there's anything there, but I know there is in my soul. So just going to go through and try to clean it up a bit. Go in a little bit more. This area right here will be transparent on your Roblox avatar, this chest part. So you can make any part transparent. I'm not going to upload this right now because I still want to work on it. I feel like there's parts of it that need work. Like this neckline needs to be more. Something needs to happen that's more. But as you can see, this part of the shirt is cropped, so you'll want to make sure that this part of the bottom of the shirt is not colored. And then this area right here is like the bottom of the hands. I can't recall if I already said that, but you'll probably never want to color those unless you're like trying to make gloves or something for your Roblox avatar. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all.